Your home and garden will thank you for this. Heat a fork for about 10 seconds until it's hot. Then press it into a plastic lid. The heat will melt the plastic and create small holes. Make enough of them. Now it's time for coarse salt. Add about 2 tablespoons to the container. Salt acts as a natural absorber. Next ingredient? Alcohol. Pour in about 2 tablespoons. The alcohol will help the mixture release its scent longer and more intensely. Also add some scented laundry beads. They'll give a pleasant, long-lasting fragrance. In a moment, I'll explain why this method is worth trying. Mix all the ingredients well and close the container with the perforated lid. The holes will let the scent slowly escape. It's not just a beautiful, natural fragrance to freshen your home and garden, but also an effective mosquito and insect repellent. This combination of ingredients keeps pests away, so you can enjoy peace and comfort.